to tell you is, in this session is, one, when we do a viability study, we would look at what is known as a DCF model. DCF stands for discounted cash flow. A DCF stands for discounted cash flow. I'm on the last leg of our interaction. I request you all to please pay attention because there are a couple of practical things I want to tell you here, and then answer two queries, right? One, already I have clarified some lovely questions from Mr. Pranav, right? But I still would like to talk in generic terms to others, right? DCF stands for discounted cash flow. What is discounted cash flow? And I think I can communicate to anybody in this audience if I can just tell you, yeah, right, that discounted cash flow, I'll explain. I promise I'll explain. It's nothing difficult. Discounted cash flow, whether you're in real estate, whether you're in infrastructure, you should know what is discounted cash flow. And some of you all are running your own firm. Please remember, discounted cash flow, sir, Arunji, is nothing but, the word discounting only means reverse of compounding. The word discounting only means reverse of compounding. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to rub this off. Trying it, 5 minutes, and I love to simplify things, something I'm always earning. I'm sure some of you have no idea about discounting, but just watch, give me 5 minutes, you'll see how, what this colleague does for a living, what I do for a living, what my colleague is doing. I'm assuming he's into estimations, right? Please note what is compounding. Compounding is nothing but amount equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n. I'm not even asking you all whether you have done it, because you better do it. We all do this in our school days, right? Amount equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n. Okay. Somebody like me and sir, we were taught that, okay, you invest 10,000 in a bank, you get 12% interest, how much would you get in 5 years? Some of you all are pretty younger to me also. You also did the same thing, except when we were taught as 10,000, you were taught as 1 lakh, right? What we were taught as 12%, you were taught at 7%, right? What we were taught as 6 years, you were taught as 3 years. Let me again continue the joke further. My son will do it, I'm sure, in a matter of time, except that for him the figures possibly will be 5 lakhs, right? This figure will be 4% and this will be 2 years. This shows how India is changing. But anyway, right, the fact is it is exactly the same. There what we were doing, we were calculating future value. Why are we complicating finance? I said 5 minutes, it's all over. What is discounting? I don't even need 5 minutes with you all. What is discounting is, same formula, you put it like this, and you calculate what is known as P. Same formula. Stunned. Same formula, Harish sir. Only thing is, now I am going to tell you, I will give you 12 million after 3 years. What is its value today? That's it. That's discounting. That's investment banking. That's what we do. Shocked, but that's what we do. I like a client who does not get impressed with my Excel sheets. I like that client, and I would rather deal with such clients who say, Mr. Menon, please show me your calculations later. First, show me your assumptions. Thank you. If you have such, sir, yeah, I say clients, and I'll shake hands. And the moment I saw the list of people, I said, this time some very august colleagues are coming in. They are well-to-do, they know what they are asking. Because if you are going to let me talk about value, right, thanks.